Welcome back to Tips and Tricks with Behavior Building. Today we're going to talk about submitting a secondary claim via the Navinet portal for Blue Cross Blue Shield of Delaware. From here you want to navigate to the blue bar where it says Workflows for this plan. You'll then click Claim Submission CMS 1500 Professional. Here we can enter our patient ID number and click ID search. It'll then auto-populate all of the demographic information, or you can choose to manually enter it all. Once your client is located, you will enter the necessary claim information and indicate that this is a secondary claim. You will also make sure to enter the information from the primary EOB into the claim level adjustments. If you have issues, it's best that you submit this claim via mail, as Blue Cross Blue Shield of Delaware does not accept fax claims. To submit via mail, you will need to print out a CMS 1500 form for the claim data service, as well as attach the primary EOBs, or the primary explanation of benefits, from the claim that was processed by the primary insurance payer.